Ooh, yeah. We'll turn this down. I don't want to get copyrighted, so I've got to turn some things down. Um, you know how that be. Just give me a second. Boostello. All right, what is up, everyone? I am going to be continuing the website I started last week, and once I find the reference file, yeah, here we go. So I'm gonna be continuing it, and we're gonna keep going. We are almost done with the homepage, which is really cool. So if you don't remember, I had already designed a homepage last week of a website for church, and this week we are going to continue that work and see where it goes. So flip on over. Here we go. So this is it. This is our homepage. Let me vertical users. See this? Yeah, I can make this better. Hold on. Oh man, I think I'm on the wrong side of this. Oh, that's really frustrating. All right, hold on. No. Can I? A little bit. A little bit. It's better if I do portrait, but. I wish I could move this bar over here, but whatever. So we're gonna keep going at it. I've got this down. This is already set. I've got this, which is already set, which is nice. So now we've got to do this little interesting thing. I'll bring it to the center. So vertical users, you can see. Hold on. I don't want my whole desktop available. Vertical users, this is what I'm talking about right here. I've got to make this into more than just a PDF. I've got to make it into an actual desktop or an actual website. So I'm going to do that. And you're all going to be like, wow, he did that so well. So the trick with this thing is that you've got this like green thing underneath, and you've got these three modal things on top, which would be the events. So the trick is it's the overlapping. That's the trick. It's the overlapping. So we gotta start. I think the best way to go about this is to make that green thing first. So I'm gonna, oops, don't want to do that. I'm gonna copy this section. Copy. Okay. Copy. All right. Thank you, Windows, for your obtuse behavior. Whatever. I'll add it to the end, and then I'll. Oh, it did. It just didn't show up. Huh. All right, we've got the one. So I'm going to remove this because we don't need it. I think I'm going to maintain the container, but I'm going to call this is going to have a subclass of green. I'm bored of how. But this is similar to the top. Kinda, but again, the pictures are gonna change. Actually, I think. Can I just? Nah, it's a little darker. That's all right. I'm gonna add my image. We're gonna cover, bring it to the bottom, and then I'm gonna add some green. Did I save? Yeah. I'm going to break the variable, though. I'm going to make this. I don't want to edit the variable. I want a new variable. Darker low green. Why did I call it low? I don't know. I'm going to edit it. Yeah. Edit the variable. Stop. Why can't I do this? Maybe I have to go to styles. Yeah, I don't need to edit the CSS. I need, there we go. Need a little darker. Boom. Hold on. I listened to this record backwards, I think. I did. That's a bummer. All right. So here's my main section. That's more or less what I need, but with the padding, I'm going to do 5 That's great. I think I'll do 10, almost double. Again, I don't love how... Can I... Stop. Nah, I can't really zoom out because it's covering. Yeah. We could do custom, but then we've got... Yeah, it's got to cover. Should I do fixed? Oh, no, I should not. All right, hold on. Let me fix my chair. I've got one of those chairs that doesn't like to stay still. Okay, so I've got this more or less. I'm going to have text below it, but right now I want to get this events thing up and running. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new collection, and it's going to be called events. And then, hold on. I'm struggling for no reason. Okay, it's going to be called events. And then I'm going to add, we've got the name of the event. We've got description of event. Help text, as always. This field is used to describe your event. Describe your event. Please include any styling you may want. This is required. Save field. Boom. Date and time of event. This field is required. We can do time picker. Yep. Oh, jeez. Registration link for event. It's not required because not everything requires a registration. Date, time, plain text, image. That's what I need. Oh, come on. Stop. Image for event. He exasperated. This is required. Run the red out. Talk coming back. Alright, cool. Feel I could get, but I don't. So run the red out. Oh, video link. We'll say link. Video link of event. Again, I'm making this for the client, not making this for me. Image event, graphic image of event. Yeah, that's fine. Come on, mouse. Don't be difficult. Okay, I think that's good for now. Collection templates. There's templates? What? Oh, come on. Short description, RSVP link, description. Is there help text? Nah, there's no help text. Wow. That's something. And it made me think of something. Location. That's so annoying. This is required. Every event has a location. Let me just all right. I'm just going to generate some sample items. church events. Generate. Again, the generation of these things is not great, but it's good enough. While it's doing that, I did want to say for churches that don't have events on your website, you need to put them on there. And for churches that have old events on their website, you need to get rid of them. If you want your church to look alive, you need your website to look alive. It can't be the same website that it was 5 years ago with no changing content. Because people do come back to websites. They check once, they check again. And your website kind of is a quick story of the inside of your church. So update your website, people. Holiday concert. All right. I gotta spruce these up. I want the name. Yeah. All right. Boom. Company picnic for a church. Huh. That's funny. Guys, I went to bed at 9 o'clock last night. Praise the good Lord Almighty, from whom all blessings flow. Okay. Events. Kids. I think, pardon me, this is a collection, right? No, it wouldn't be a collection. It's ministries. So now I got to do a collection. I feel better. Would make that a 3. And then I'm going to go to settings. I'm going to limit. And I'm going to show 1. Oh, sorry. Show 3. Start at 1. Boom. Perfect in Schlag. Now, again, you guys might be thinking, well, Zach, how do you push these above to get that cool overlapping effect? We'll get there, baby. Don't worry. We'll get there. Don't freak out. It's okay. But I gotta think my way through this first. So we need the image, and then I'm gonna link that to the collection field. That's amazing. And then we need, we should have done a div block first. That's all right. We'll do div block after. We're gonna call this event info. Yeah. All right. Then we're gonna do. I'll do a heading. Why not? Make it white. Lower this a little. Stop. Okay. 18. Doesn't need to be bold. Can be normal. Not normal. Medium. Because I want normal to be the next one. Now remove this. Gosh. A 10. A 10 for margin after is insane. Then I'm going to do text block. And I'm going to link this to date, right? Yeah, we'll do date. Almost sneezed. Wrong. Perfect. I didn't like this one, though. It's like, what is this? That's heading 5. This should be heading 6. Name. I love it when a plan comes together. So now with this div block, event info, I should probably wrap the image in this too, right? Yeah. Be a water inside. Color, white. Why did I change the text to white? That's really frustrating. All right, so now we're going to take this and, see, this is why I didn't do it. All right, I'm going to rename this. Event wrap. And then I'm going to add another div block. A div block, if you guys are watching, you're like, what the heck is a div block? Yes, that's what a div block. A div block is essentially anything you want it to be. And the cool thing is that you can really use it as anything. But in all reality, it is like a wrapper. Like if I want text to be squished, I don't want to squish the text because then it breaks it as you go down your like mobile. If you go down to mobile and the text is squished, it's going to look crazy. So if I squish a div block, it's what we call responsive. It responds to different what's the word? Different layouts like mobile, tablet, all those things. So we want it to be responsive. So if you see here, I'm going to update the padding and look at that. I don't necessarily like that. Yeah, see, there's too much space. Boom, that's better. And then I think that might have been all I did to it, right? The images are not like, they're not 1920 by 1080 like these up here, so they look a little washed out. Not washed out, but big, but I'm pretty sure this is it. So I've got my container. I've got my collection list. I'm almost ready to bring it up. So I'm going to add a heading. I'm going to bring this here. Nope. I want it inside the container. Man, I love designing websites, guys. I really do. I'm going to make this. It's not a heading 1. It's like a heading. I can have infinite heading 6s, I think, when it comes to SEO. Oops. What's the... Oh. Events. And then... Oh, see? I need to wrap this in a div. So I'm going to wrap it in a div block. I'm going to call it... Oh, my Lord. Event wrapper heading. No, that's too close. Event heading wrap. And maybe I don't need a div. Maybe I just need... I don't know, guys. I'll figure it out. I don't think I put a text block. Boom. All right. So now I need this. It's inside the div. Yeah. So now I need it flex. They need to be next to each other. Interesting. How do you do this again? Boom. Haha. That's actually the first time I used that feature. It used to be really difficult. If you wanted one thing on this side and one thing on the other side, you used to have to like do some black magic. But now you just click a button. So I'm going to remove the... You see how this is already not centered with this? That's because this has some automatic space. I'm going to remove... I'm constantly removing this space from everything, which is really annoying. But I'm just going to call this... what was it? It was... View events. Now, because this is outside the collection, it's not triggered by collection. So it can say whatever I want it to say. All right, so now that this is all wrapped in the container, I need to make this container relative. Or, sorry, maybe not relative. Maybe I need to make it... Maybe I will make it Poppins. Ooh, how do I do this? Because here's what I can do. I can take this, and because it's relative, I can just stick it up. But the problem with that, again, I'll fix the spacing. But the problem with this is that when things are relative, sometimes they don't look great. So I'm going to make this relative as well, even though I'm not going to move it, because I want this container to be relative to itself. Not itself. Can I make it relative to the thing? If I make it absolute, yeah. Maybe that's better if I do make it absolute. Yeah, because then it's relative to the main section. Yeah, I can push this wherever I want. I'm gonna try it. I don't know about it. I'm gonna push this up. I'm gonna make the main section. I'm gonna make this a little bit more. It's got to be a little thicker, I think. And then I can have the worship thing down here. And then this absolutely has to be thicker. Yeah, that looks about right. And then I can add some margin to this. Just push it all down. Events. That's going to be, yep. That's going to be, yep. All right. I think I want to underline that just to, this congregation's a little older. So I don't want to, I've got to keep that in mind when I'm making stuff. I can't just make things super trendy and super like flashy animation. I need it to actually look good. But it's coming together now. Now, because I made this absolute, though, I'm interested in what's going to happen when I put a container in here. Oh, perfect. Another heading, which is going to say worship. No. Worship at Marlowe. They get me down. Let's do 0. Yeah, right. Oh my gosh, it's so bad. Could not save your site. Please check your connection. All right, thanks, Webflow. All right, Worship of Marlowe. Boom. That's almost identical to what I designed without having to develop it. So that's pretty cool. I'm gonna bring this down a little bit. Yeah, that's, man. Let's add some. Can we do some internal padding here? Probably nothing. Oh, I don't know what that was. Let's just add some margin. Now, my concern is when I ship this or like, start putting stuff on a link, this section is going to break, but this is just something I'll have to keep an eye on. So this looks almost identical to what I made, which I'm actually really happy about. The only thing is that the width is not. Stop. Keep me. Yeah. I think it's because of the containers. Yeah. So I'm going to make the max with 1200. I don't know if I like that. I'm going to keep looking. Is anyone in here? Somebody tell me. I kind of like that better. It's bigger, obviously, but I think I like that more. And that's interesting that it caused. If I make this wrapper, the container, if I make this relative, what's going to happen? All right, let's make it static. Static is back to normal down here. Let's make it relative. Auto. Interesting. I'd have to bring it all the way up. Let's smush this a little. It looks like if I make it relative, I have to move it less. And then I don't get the hassle of having to do this, which might just be worth it. I'm going to, again, move this a little bit. I want 10. Why is this such a far? Do I have something weird in here? God. Keep me as a faded shrine. Keep me on fire. 0. Yeah, auto's fine. Huh. I don't. Oh. I got it. So when you make it relative, it still maintains its space in the environment. It just pushes it up. So its space is being maintained, but it's pushed up, which means this would naturally go below it right here. The reason why that's different than absolute is because when you make something absolute, it removes its space from the environment. It just exists. Clever design from this company. Oh shoot. All right, I'll fix these. This is going to be a work in progress because the spacing is just going to be always an issue. I really like kind of how this is what coming out. I like that I can move this down further and have less of an issue. Yeah, this is coming together nicely. All right. Footer. Let's do the footer. Now, for footers, I like to use I just don't want to do with all the things. So I just use pre-made stuff. Pricing, testimonials, logos. This is pretty sufficient if you're new to Webflow and you just want to like build something. This is actually really good. You don't need to be proficient at Webflow to know that, or to build a website, I should say. Whoa, 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 whoa. No. Oh, come on. Fine, give me some padding. Control Z. Whatever. I don't like using pixels. I like using view height and view width because I feel like it breaks a lot less. So I'm going to do 7, 5, 5. I'm going to change my record. Give me a second, guys. Huh? Yes. Great record. Shout out to my wife. My wife. Keep me on fire. Keep me honest, keep me kind. Oh, that's the wrong one. Another great record. Where? You see it? Huh? Coldplay. Parachutes. Thank you. The first record my wife ever bought me was this. So it's got its scratches. But I don't think you're gonna find a better like album than Parachutes and Coldplay. I don't think you will. Like stones, all that we fall for. All right, so I need a logo there. I'm gonna get rid of this. I'm gonna change this font. No, I'm not. I'm gonna change this font. Oh, come on. All right, this needs to say, "I'm new." Like stones, all that we fall for. Since we've grown, all of us are done for our beliefs. Perfect. I'm gonna go. Yeah, we do. Alright. I think I just need two rows. Whoa. What is... Can we... Stop. Beautiful world. I'm a little neurotic when it comes to spacings, but I don't view that as a bad thing. Remember, worship is not a proper noun. It's got somebody to lean on. I don't want this bold. I want this normal. I can just highlight this, right? I don't need to reinvent the wheel. Oh, yeah. I delete this as it is. Yeah. All right. I look in your direction, but you pay me no attention, do you? And I know you don't listen to me. What you say, you see straight through me, don't you? And all. All right, I don't have the logo. I need like an updated logo. But not bad, not bad. How long has this been? Not bad for 30 minutes. Time is money. Add some padding on this side. Yeah, again, I don't like pixel. Yeah. I just want a little. If you want me to change, shall I change? Should I do this bold? Yeah, I like bold. There we go. So much as that. All right. That, ladies and gentlemen, is mostly a homepage. Can I put corners on this? Why can't I put corners on this? But if I do something like this, no, nothing interesting. What I mean, just even see me do. All right, so now I got to make this top thing. I didn't make it earlier just because I didn't want to, but I'm gonna do it now. So again, the navigation is not. This is the navigation right here. This up top is just like a thing. So I'm gonna make a div block. I'm not gonna put it down there. I'm gonna put it at the tippity top. I'll say I'll be there by your side. Stop me. Can I see what? Yeah. Can I unlink from variable? Yeah. Oh. Boom. It just defaults to a spacing. Once I actually put a space in it, or like content in it, the spacing changes. Services on Sundays. Don't you share? Text bot. What am I saying? What does it say? It says watch our live stream, right? Yeah. Because I asked, they do have a live stream. Always ask. I'll always be waiting for you. Always be. Oh, no, not Command F. Ah, butts. Don't say me. It's you I hear so loud and so clear. All right. Is that good? I need some space. A little bit more space. The reason why I do padding and not like a default height for this is because I don't like saying, I don't like forcing the CSS to do things it's not comfortable with. I'm very responsible with my CSS. Just kidding. It's because it doesn't work well when you do it because the CSS isn't comfortable with it. I need to look into this because I'm kind of liking its vibes. I don't need a button. I did left justified. Yeah, it's fine. No peace of mind. Do I want it to be absolute? I think I do want it to be absolute. As a fugitive down here, again I sit so clear. No, have to do I know? Give me the right way to go. Why is it at the top? The main section doesn't go to the top. Why is this at the top? I cannot think so clear. I wanna get everything I learned. I don't. Because it's large. That's why, ladies and gentlemen. I'm gonna change that picture. Probably won't even use a picture like this. Probably gonna be like a thing. Why is this not centering? Is my question. If you all find here. Don't think I need a drop down. Because if I remember right, they don't. Just don't make one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Kids. It's youth. Then it's our beliefs. Then it's events. Okay, so I'm going to take this. Can we? Gosh, make the div block. I think my max width. I think I can percentage it, right? Yeah. was gonna say, can I not make it like equidistant? All right, I think that's good for now. What's up, guy? Yo, what's up? Followed. Thanks, dude. We are up to. Sorry, Brooklyn. I didn't see you. We're building a website for a church. That's it. Just casual stuff, you know. Drinking coffee, listening to Coldplay. What are you up to, man? How'd you come across? Yeah, if you followed, I don't think I have what you call it, sounds on at the moment. All right, homepage is done. I need to make a new page. I'm freeforming it now. I gotta make a. I don't even know. I haven't even designed past the homepage, so I just gotta get with the vibes. Oops, that's why. Great. But what I can do is I can make this. How do I want to do this? I don't know. It's yours. Hold on to. That's what I do. Bow down, bow, 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 bow. I was wrong. Thanks for the follow, bro. Appreciate it. I gotta turn on my I gotta turn on my sounds. I thought I did have my sounds on, maybe not. Yeah, sound should be on now. I don't know what any of this is, so I'm gonna real quick. I saw spies. I'm gonna hop over to ChatGPT to give me some dummy text. Ministry text for There we go. Perfect. All right. I was wrong. Why is this not saving? Paragraph style 18. Thank you. I don't think I need that. Just gonna do a generic thing because I don't know what they want. Look how they shine for you in everything that you do. And it was all yellow. You came along. I wrote a song for you. Don't need that. Don't need that. Don't need that. I think we'll do this. We'll get rid of that. We'll do a container. Actually, we're not going to do that. We are going to do another section, but we're going to call this Oh, what a thing to have done. Plus BG. No, stop. New variable. BG. Do 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 do. All right, we're gonna center this. Flex. Into something beautiful. You know, oh yeah, I love you so. I think that's better. Cross for you. Good enough? As it was all yellow. Sorry guys, I was just heading over to ChatGPT. Oh, what a thing to do. Alright, I think I want this to be. We'll make that green like the color of everything else. Change that. Mission statement. Alright. Then I think we should do. Again, this is just freebieing it. What should I do after this? Helping kids. I still need that. I still need the footer. Alright, I'm gonna go to a website that I built. See what I have going on for Kidsman. Yeah, there's the welcome. Quick events. Oh, they need to update their page. Tisk tisk. Alright. Look how they shine for. Alright, then I can do a. Man, I don't know if I want to do something. I gotta do something, right? I gotta flip it. Flip the scene. I don't know why main section is like this. Look how they we'll call it min. You do 5. Yeah, that's better. Okay, and then my record is skipping and repeating. Thank you. Well, then it took my time. Oh, what a thing to have done. All right, I'm going to do another thing, another section. Dun, dun, dun. Do, 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 do. Yeah, I don't want the same heading. I think I like this. Whatever we do decide, it's going to be the same for the youth page. So I think I'm going to get rid of this. It's perfectly fine. It's just not what I want. I'm going to put that there. I'm going to make this just green. Break from the variable. And then, yeah. There we go. Okay. Let's see. How do I do it here? Dot in the middle. Yeah, that's fine. ChatGPT. Thank you. Heading. All right. We'll do Sundays and Wednesdays at. We'll do Sundays. Trouble. I don't have a lot of images, so I'm just kind of reusing some, but no, I never meant to do you wrong. Even this, yeah, I don't need it that big. Do, do. I'm gonna go back to GPT. Start the web and I'm in the middle. We'll do what to expect. See, again, the burden of content is on them at this point, which is why I use ChatGPT. They already know they're going to rewrite all this, so that's why I'm not reverse engineering it and trying to make it awesome. I'm just doing as needed. So the kids will experience a safe, engaging, Christ-centered environment designed just for them. Our services include. Perfect. All right. What else? What other relevant information? If there is kids, I should do a collection of kids events. All right, and then I'm gonna go to. Do I want to do the same thing? Do a new section. They spun a web for me. They spun a web. What's coming? Spun a web for me. For me. All right. Again, we're reusing this grain a lot because they liked it. So I'm just going to go crazy with it. That's how I be. All right. That's good. That's good. I think I can add a little bit more. I don't want all the padding right here. Oh, I hate when it does this crap. Yo, my record is skipping like crazy. It's a bummer. All right. Cool. This works. I'm going to push this in, I think, a little bit more. Yeah, it's just going to keep skipping. That's so unfortunate. I think it's the record. I don't think it's the record player. All right, so what's coming up? Kids events. I make a new. I need to edit my events. Holidays, sermons, e-commerce. Is kids. Save field. Alright. Make this is youth. Select if this is a youth event. Boom. Boom. Alright, so now what I can do is I can go into this and I can set custom visibility. So I'm actually just going to go back real quick. I'm going to make this. Alright, I guess this is just going to be youth. Living life inside a bubble. We're going to limit it to 3. Start at 1, but the filter is going to be is kids is on save, which means it's only 1. Boom. Crushing it. Crushing it. So how I say. Text block. Oh no, it needs to be. Ooh, needs to be rich text. Ha. Nailed it. Why? How about go where I want you to go? Description. Again, I'll fix all that, but the bubble. Confidence in you. There's confidence in me. All right, kids events. Now I'm gonna add a button. Get URL from registration link. Actually, yeah. No, I think I'll just get it for the registration link. I don't think it needs to be a whole sub. That's actually a good point. I should do that in my other websites. Main button. Boom. It's going to be Control A, register. All right, now that I'm coming back to that, I don't like that much of a pill, so don't do that. It'll update throughout. Now I just really need my footer. And my header, obviously. Should I just put this in a container? I really should, huh? Yeah, I'll put it in a container. Instead of just like mimicking a container by doing it like this. Yeah. And then I can make this like that. Yeah. Change the container width. Make it a little bit. We'll do. I did all of them at 1200, so I think I'll just keep with that. All right, so now I'm going to go back to my footer. That's going to be web design and development by White Oak Media. Doom. That's going to link. https://www.whiteoakmedia.io. I wanna live life bigger than you. Command Shift K, right? Ooh, they changed it, I think. Ugh, come on. What is that? Never come down. Oh, it's A now. Footer. Live my life. Have friends around. Nav bar. We never change, do we? See. We never leave. Can I add a? Yeah, I'll have to add a variation of that. Live in a wooden house. Again, still need the logo. I'm gonna update some of this though. 18. That's better. 16. Okay. Kids page. Kinda. Can I duplicate? I didn't need to do that. one link. All right. All my text needs to be black. Yeah, there it goes. Live my life. Have friends around. Alright, so now I can link this as the nav bar. Be okay. Great. Cool. Alright. Now I'm going to duplicate. Make this youth. I'm getting a lot of progress done today, guys. Boom. Marlowe. Youth. Making my friends. Do do do. Bow now now. What to expect? Instance. I wanna live in a wooden house. Each week says can expect. All these emojis, holy. Counted up my demons. What? Okay. All right. Boom, ba-doom. Yeah, I think it just needs a little bit more. This could be 32. Dun, 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 dun. What demons? Yeah. And everything's not lost. Alright, so now I want to remove this from there. Save. Cool. Cool, 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 cool. Again, it's not a lot because they have, they're still getting me more content. So I'm not too worried about it right now. The most important thing is that it's created. All right, so. Yeah. Have some water. Okay. So now I need to create the sermons page and the events page. I'm going to start with the events page because I personally find the events page the easiest. So I'm going to add a black nav bar to it. And then I'm going to change the body to also be that background color. Oh, I can't do that because then that does that. All right, whatever. Section. All right, there's that. And then what I think I want to do is I'm just going to... How do I want to structure this? I'm going to container it. And then I'm going to do a collection list. It needs to be all. It needs to be events. I think we'll do 3 at a time. And then kind of fill them out. Yeah, that's fine. Whoa, wait. This is the individual event. This is not the events page. All right. So don't need to do that, right? Yeah, all right. This just became easier. Me counting up my demons. Yeah. We make this bigger, right? No? Maybe? So 1200. There it goes. Oh yeah. Everything's not lost. Doom. On, yeah. So pretty much. And then all I'm gonna do now's the cool part of a web design, where you get to start repurposing what you already did. So I'm gonna take this event heading wrap. I'm gonna bring it to my events template page. I'm gonna add it to my container, and then I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna bring it to the top. I'm gonna delete that part. Oh yeah, everything's not lost. Again, I don't know why there's extra padding in this, but oh yeah. Back to events. I'll just do back. Oh, I think that was fine. I just need that arrow. Image. Would have been easier if I just started from scratch. I forgot I was doing it different. Image. Text. Stiff block needs to be a flex. Come on. To do you wrong. That's going to be a thing right there. Like, this is going to be an arrow, I should say. Not just a thing. An arrow. Did I kick my camera? Sakes when I think of the things that I shouldn't have done. Cause life is for living, we all know. Look at that. Don't want to live it alone. Hold on, let me pull this out. Boom. Nailed it. Add a little bit of margin right there. A little bit. Jeez. I know when I don't want to live it alone. Sing. All right. Cool. all events. I forgot I gotta add that video in because video link to event. And then this is only going to be conditional visibility. Video link is set. Boom. Okay, video link of event is set. Okay, why would it? Oh, that was the templated video. That's cool. All right, so location. Under that, I need div block, info wrap. And then I'm going to do text block, and that's going to be date and time. Do another text block. Info wrap is going to be a flex, down, centered, add some gap. So time is going to be, it's going to be location. Look at that. I got that part right at least. Jeez. 10. Boom. All right. So now I should be able to go to the other ones and it'll kind of show me. All right, that's our events page. So now I need to go create like a page that says events. That'll be the main page. Do I want it to be white? Oh, I don't know. I'm getting tired though. Okay, so clearly I got to change this. Yeah, that's just got to be transparent. Did I change this to black? Why is this? Ugh. It's annoying. Wish I could just group change these classes. All right, there we go. Okay, I'm pretty happy with how this is coming today. So I'm gonna take the kids. I'm gonna link it. Kids, youth, events. It's just gonna be an empty page. I'll throw a nav bar on there in case he goes to it. It needs to go backwards and can't. I think, hold on, let me find. I can't do that right now. Let's see here. I'm just gonna, where's my screenshot tool? Right here. Boom. All right. Oh, whoops. Switch back. All right. So I've got this entire homepage done. I've got this website almost done. I've got one, two, three, well, halfway. So I'm pretty proud with this. I'm going to publish it. It's not even published yet. Wow, look at that. I kind of want to get this done though. This events page, because then the events are just done. So I'm going to do this real quick. Main section. All right. And then we're going to container it. I'm going to change that again to 1200. And then I'm going to, this is all my events, collection list, events. I'm going to go back to the events template. I'm going to take this info wrap. Go to the events page. Put that underneath. Boom. Nailed it. Yeah, that should be fine. 20. Can I? Yeah, I can make this. Go back to the image. No to this. Oh my lord. Gosh. They are just crazy about making sure I use that spacing. Can we not, guys? What else should I have on this? Name. Yeah. Let's see. Ooh, ooh, baby, I love your way. Every day. I wanna be with you night and girl. I think I'm just gonna do the name. I'll tell you what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do the same thing I did with the other ones on the other page for congruity. I'm gonna make the color white. Yeah. And then in here, I'm gonna add a gap. Can I not do a gap? All right, that's fine. I'll do some padding or margin, right? Yeah. All right. How about maybe I don't make the collection list white. Maybe I put everything in a div block, and then make the div block white. Yeah, sounds like a better idea. Like I said, div block can be anything you want it to be. Div block. Set some padding. There we go. See how it's not breaking anything by me adding padding? Yeah, see? There's a reason. There's a reason for things, ladies and gentlemen. I don't know if I want it on the top. Don't think I... Well, maybe I do. No. I'm going to wrap this in a div block. I know I'm supposed to like name everything, but I don't want to. I don't want to name my div blocks. Here we go. That's what I want. Then I've got some padding here, margin here, I should say. 10. Let's do 10. What's the margin here? 10 plus what? 3? Oh my lord. We just removed the 3. I want 13. We'll just do 10 across the board. All right. And then I think info wrap. I'm going to make this, I think this is fine. We'll make it flex. We'll bring it down. Nah, I like it to the left. Is there anything else I need? What do my other designs look like? Ooh, baby, I love your way. Yeah, it's just down and down. All right, cool. I want to be with you night and day. I'll make it vertical. Why not? Ooh, baby, love your way. And then I can do, I think I'll do, do I want a little corner in action? Okay, guess not. Guess that doesn't matter. This one. Yeah, how's this? I kind of like it. We'll see how I feel about it later. Now, I've been doing this thing lately that I think I might like, where I add this kind of thing. Mm-hmm. I think I like it. But regardless, these need to all look nice, right? Okay. Can we wrap it? Let's do block. Let's just leave it. These are my events. So I'm going to add an image inside the text block doesn't have an image. Son of a biscuit. Div block. Wrap in div block. These div blocks are going to be icon event. All right, now I'm going to get some more icons. We'll do a calendar icon. I guess you guys can see this. Why not? I like this one. PNG. Thank you. Free pick. All right, now I need a time clock. We'll do a clock. Clock icon. Like this one. PNG. Thank you again. Thank you, Dimitri13. Appreciate you, bro. Place image. I'll go to my downloads. Clock. Calendar. This is my calendar that I need right here. Oh my. Lord knows we don't need all that. That's my calendar, and then there's my clock. Bring it down just a hair. Okay. I'm going to make this bold, I think. Yeah, bold. Text block 7. Boom. This is bold. Can I do extra bold? We'll do bold. And then we'll bring this down 1. Semi-bold. Yeah. There we go. I think these can be a little smaller. 30 by 30. Yeah. It's better. Preview it. Oh, well, that would do it. Collection item. The fact that you can't just really grinds my gears. Grinds my gears. I hate that it does this. No. Oh. No color. Can we just make everything be normal, please? Choose current event. Boom. Now when I click it, oh, look at that. Oh, well. I'm going to convert this to a link block. Probably smarter. Shutting it down, good Lord. Let me run once and all over town. Strictly biz, we don't play around. Cover much ground. By the pound. Impaired is a forte. It's an everyday true play away. Can't get you out of my mind. Ooh, I like the way you work it. No diggity. I've got to bag it up, oh baby. I like the way you work it. No diggity. I gotta bag it up, baby. Hey yo, hey yo, hey yo, hey yo. I gotta listen to that song. Great. Why not? This is the reality of web design, ladies and gentlemen. It is oftentimes quiet and lonely. Scary. Yeah. I think I'm probably going to come back to this. And I think I might just do it now. I don't think I love the corners. Yeah, that's just cleaner. Just the squares. Just squares. All right, ladies and gentlemen, today I did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pages. Man, look at that. Look at God. Look at God. Well, I'm out. I think this was a good stream. So I'll catch you later. Remember, when you're building church websites, you always want to start with the why. Why do I need this page? Where is it going? And what needs to be on it to express that message? If you're building pages aimlessly and if you're building a church website without a reason, you need to define your reason first. It's the same with anything. Before you go do something, you need to be clear on what your goal is. It's the same as a website. So be clear on your goal. And when you build your page, you have that goal in mind. So you're building with a purpose. You're not just building for it to look good. So with that, I'm out. I'll catch you guys later. Peace.